guys, welcome back to my channel, and to all the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you my simple makeup routine. First, I start off by prepping my face using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer, which is good for normal to dry skin. And I'm going to proceed to make my eyebrows by brushing them upwards first, slightly upwards, before I proceed to draw the outline using my Devi eye pencil number 3. I'm going to draw that following the natural angle of the eyebrows, and I'm going to fill them in gently. Next off, I'm going to use the Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut, just to ensure that the eyebrows look good. I'm going to use my angle brush just to shape the eyebrows and make them look a bit sharper and neater. This usually takes me around 5 to 7 minutes. I take my time on the eyebrows because they shape your face, so it's good to take your time before proceeding with the rest of the makeup. Then I'm going to just blend in the concealer and also apply some of it around my eyes, just to prepare for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to also conceal my under eye and my dark areas and blend them in. A blender that's a bit moist, and take my time on that before proceeding now to apply my foundation. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360, and I'm going to use my brush to blend it in. It's good to take your time with the foundation just to allow it to blend evenly on your skin before proceeding. Then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow by House of Tara that has really cool colors. I'm going to start with the dullest color as my base, and after that I'm going to apply a brighter brown color that I love. And I'm going to take time to also blend that eyeshadow in and exaggerate a bit around the inner eye. Going to darken my under eye just a bit with the eye pencil, the black eye pencil, before I proceed to even out the foundation, because I've been touching my face a lot. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara on my eyelashes. For the lips, I'm going to use the Nuba Milibachi number 46, which is a bright red, and I'm going to take my time to apply using the applicator before I proceed to powder my face. Then I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray to set my makeup and keep it in place the whole day. This is one of the products that I chose to invest in and has made a difference in my everyday look in terms of how I look in the morning and in the afternoon. Because the Nuba is a bit drying, I like to mix it up with the Maybelline in the shade number 64, the Maybelline lipstick, which is nude in color. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I use minimal products on a daily basis, and thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it and like it and leave a comment down below. See you on the next video, guys.